Today we will read English grammar, and the first topic is letters. What is letter? First of all, we have to know what is letter. Letter is the smallest unit by which we can write a word. I am just repeating again. Letter is the smallest unit by which we can write a word. As we know, there are 26 letters. That is, there are 26 letters. That is from A to Z. Means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. If you count these all letters, you will get the number 26. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So there are 26 letters. All words formed by these all 26 letters. Just for example, if we write any word Ram, then R is also letter, A is also letters and M is also letter. All these 24 letters, all words formed by 26 letters. Next, these letters can be write into two ways. That is small and capital. So this is the way of writing capital letters. Now we will know how to write small letters. Small letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. This is the way of writing small letters. So we can write all these 26 letters into two ways, capital and small letters. Next topic is vowel. Vowels. What is vowel? Vowels are 5 in numbers. That is, vowels are 5 in numbers. That is A, E, I, O and U. So A, E, I, O, U is known as vowel. Now we will know about consonants. If we exclude all 5 vowels from letters, then we will get 21. So consonants are 21 in number. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. If you count consonants, we will get the number 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So vowels are 5 in number and consonants are 21 in number. Now we will know about semi vowels. Semi vowels. What is semi vowel? W and Y are semi vowels. So today we have studied about letters, vowels, consonants and semi vowels. So hope you will remember it and hope you have understood well, in my opinion. That's all. Thank you.